Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo 3DS XL Black variant po natin. So, yung ating stylus, nandito po siya sa likod. On lang natin to. Now, this order is going to Malabon City, Metro Manila. So, for your order, this has over 80 to 100 plus games na naka-install. Marami na po kayong mga pwede pagpilian na games. Aside from, of course, our 3DS games, we also have yung ating Twilight Menu application, wherein this application would allow you to play all games like Nintendo DS naman. Meron na rin kaming mga Nintendo DS games na naka-install for you. Then we have here our H-Shop application. This application naman would allow you to download 3DS games directly online. Napakita ko lang din yung charging ng ating unit. So, gamitin natin yung charger that is included sa inyong package. Ko lang yung charger. Once you plug your charger, lalabas po yung orange light dito and then you'll notice yung charging icon na mag-run. So that indicates na charging yung ating unit. Then pakita po lang yung buttons natin. Although test na rin namin yung inyong unit, so this is just for our video demo para mapakita din namin sa inyo. So LR natin, our ABXY buttons, directional buttons, analog, and select start. All good. And of course, yung ating mga 3DS games. So you just need to open po yung naka-gift wrap for the game itself. Yeah. But for the games we have here, yung mga Mario games natin, Zelda, of course, hindi rin mawawala yung mga Pokemon games, and marami pa pong iba. So open lang tayo ng isa sa mga game, one of the Pokemon games. Yeah. So okay na po yung inyong order, bali papak na lang din namin ito and then wait na lang din namin yung courier for pickup. Wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!